Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Canva affiliate program to promote design tools step by step clearly. To get started with the Canva affiliate program, first visit the official Canva website. Scroll to the bottom of the page and locate the link for the affiliate program. Click on that link to access the affiliate program details. Once on the affiliate program page, look for the sign up option. Fill out the required information to create your affiliate account. Make sure to provide accurate details about your website or social media channels. After submitting your application, wait for approval from Canva. Once approved, log into your new affiliate dashboard. Explore the available promotional materials and tools provided by Canva. Select the banners, links, or creatives that align with your audience. Copy your unique affiliate links to promote Canva's products. Integrate these links into your content, whether it's via a blog, social media, or videos. Create valuable content that showcases Canva's design tools. Consider making tutorials, reviews, or how-to guides featuring Canva. Engage with your audience and illustrate the benefits of using Canva. Monitor your affiliate dashboard regularly to track clicks and conversions. Adjust your strategies based on what resonates best with your audience. Stay updated on Canva's latest features and promotions to share with your audience. This will reinforce your credibility as an affiliate partner. As you grow your audience, consider diversifying your promotional methods. Utilize email marketing, webinars, or online courses to highlight Canva. Keep testing different strategies to see what drives the most engagement. With persistence and creativity, you can effectively promote Canva through their affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.